wonderful globe. Thank you for tuning in to my 3038th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni. And sometimes we talk about long-term trading here as well, as you know. Traders, thanks for tuning in. Video is on Monday night for trading on Tuesday. Please remember how risky this game is. Volatility has been through the roof. If you haven't seen that, that means you're not trading right now. If you are trading right now, you see the volatility. Put your protective stop in first before you ever buy anything. Put your protective stop in first before you ever sell anything. You'll be much better off. You'll live through this volatility, taking smaller losses and not blowing up your account. So make sure you do that. So what is on the board, traders? There's a red Omni on the board. Short term, we are absolutely bearish in even the S&P and NASDAQ, no doubt, absolutely. Longer term, do not fall in love with the downside. We are adjusting. We knew this. Traders, if you just go back and watch the videos, you'll remember that right at the high. Right there, we talked about Powell stopped lowering rates. An adjustment now has to be made. We've been in that adjustment. That is taking place. That's the short-term end of it. The longer-term end is do not fall in love with the downside. You'll see in tonight's chart segment why. So, short-term, yes, bearish, even the S&P NASDAQ, red arrow for day trading on Tuesday. Longer-term, it's not so scary, so don't jump out of your skin yet. I know you're watching 401ks move around a little bit, but don't jump out of your skin yet. Let's sit tight and see where this goes. Number 3 on the board, metals. My goodness. You know, if you just went and turned in whatever gold your parents and grandparents bought you over the years, the little trinkets that used to be useless, you turn that in, you'll come home going metals. You know what I mean? Oh my God, is the price of gold up there? OmniCamp in Amsterdam. Time is ticking, kids. If you want to join me in Amsterdam, if you are from Europe, if you are anywhere where you can get to Amsterdam, I will be there. A 4-day seminar, but you've got to go to Omni Bootcamp right now to come to the Amsterdam OmniCamp. By the way, it's in, remember this, right? Wijk aan Zee? Was that it? It's in somewhere close to Wijk aan Zee, I believe that's how you say that. That's where I'm going to be in the neighborhood in Amsterdam. You'll have to be in for March 26th through March 31st. That's a Thursday to a Tuesday. And OmniCamp will be Friday to Monday. Make sure you go to Omni Bootcamp right now. Time is ticking. I've got a lot of preparation to do for you. We've got just a few weeks left. I'm jumping on a plane shortly. If you don't contact me, you're going to miss camp. OmniBootCamp.com. Make sure you go there. So, metal's going crazy. Not so scary yet on our indices. Short term, yes, I get you. And look down here, kids, because this has been, wow. I have been getting letters from traders, from fathers, from mothers, from people around this world. And you know, if you live in the United States or you live in the UK or you've got euros, if a few $1,000 gets made or lost in your account, a few $1,000 gets made or lost in your account, you move out to other countries in Africa and Switzerland and all over the world, and I promise you, I'm getting letters from people that are saying, Oscar, your Omni Token has changed my family's lives. You've enhanced my family. My kids are doing better. My family is doing better because of the Omni Token. God bless all of you out there that have been sending me these letters. That was the purpose of this. I've been trying to help people around this world with my Omni forever, literally since 1982. Then this Omni Token came up and allowed me to push that to a level I never dreamed of. Now I'm reaching people who don't really even trade fiat markets, and I'm still getting to help them as well now with this Omni Token. All of you Omniacs around the world, you're doing this, right? I created it. All of you are making this happen. You have bought, you're holding and buying more, just like I have done. I haven't sold a single token. I buy, and there's a good reason for that. The Omni Token has been killing it. You can buy it right on Coinbase and many other exchanges now. But why it's killing it is that Solana has gone down the entire time we've owned our Omni Token, and it's built on Solana. Our token's gone up the entire time. When Solana turns to go up, our token's going to explode. Wait till you see the spread. You'll see that in our chart segment. It is helping people around the world. It is going to help you. Make sure you recognize what I'm going to show you and take care of what you need to take care of. Go out and get your Omni tokens, because this is a once-in-a-lifetime chance to be in a spread that happened by accident like this. And we're on the right side of the spread. It's a wide open spread. More of that when we get to the chart segment. Traders, I want to show you those charts now because I can't wait. I love doing the charts over the rest of this stuff. So remember, join me in Amsterdam. Go to Omni Bootcamp. Everybody else, if you're looking to trade, join me at livewithoscar.com. But say this to yourselves when you're in trades, especially if they're not going well. Are you with me? 1, 2, 3. Stop, sir. Emotions are out. I'm the X now. Let's go. Look at some charts. Traders, yes, you've seen this chart in many videos. Yes, right at the all-time high, we came out with this video and with this form of analysis stating Powell just turned off the music. An adjustment is warranted. An adjustment has taken place so far. Right, we've gotten to here. But an interesting thing about this is, you see the black average? That's where we're at right now, right at that black average. It only broke it once, short term, and came right back. Will it hold? All right, we'll find out, right? Maybe it will, maybe it won't. When you look at the NASDAQ, you've got the same sort of thing going on. 200 bar moving average, and we know Wall Street loves that bad boy. Stopped cold here and held, stopped cold here so far on Monday and didn't go through. So if that's going to be the case, maybe it will hold, maybe the adjustment's over. But there is this. Doesn't that look like a big old bear flag to you? I say, it looks like one to me. So, I mean, if we get under the 200 bar moving average, the bear flag will pan out. If we hold the 200, this was not a bear flag. It just kind of looked like one, and we went back up. That's in the future. What I have for tomorrow is sell the damn rallies, because that looks pretty scary to me. And the Omni wants us to sell rallies, so we will do that. But then there's this. Now let's step back just a little bit. Still daily bar, but we're going to go back and look at the whole year of 2026 since it started so far. Not that long, but since it started. Russell 2000, you realize what makes a bull market is consistently making higher highs and higher lows. Here we are, we came to a low that was during the last time we went down as far as this market would go, and we went up. We made a high. We made a low which was higher than this low. That low was down here. This new low was here. And we went up, we made a higher high, which was higher than that high. And then we came back down, and guess what? So far, we have made a higher low than this low. So the next thing that is supposed to happen is back up over time, thinking a few weeks from now. The way it's working is it's been making consistent higher highs and higher lows the entire year, the Russell 2000. It's been much more of a leader, by the way, than the S&P and NASDAQ has been this year. Then you've got this. You've seen this in many videos as well. This is the transportation average, Dow Jones Transportation Average, deemed the leader of U.S. indices. It doesn't lead on a daily basis, but it does lead overall in market direction. And I showed you this chart, and I said, look, if you look at this chart, all it's been doing is going from the top to the bottom of this green channel, but never gets below this average. Never gets below this average. On the big crash down day, the big smash down day a few weeks ago, it was a one-day stop run. I came out with a video and said, listen, that looks like a one-day stop run and a capitulation to me. And if that's the case, we should start to move sideways, come back down, test this average, and then start to rally out from here. That was the piece of analysis I gave out on this evening right here. It says what's happened to the transportation average since. We have gone, just about tested the average, just about tested it again, and now just about tested it again, all in one little spot. And these are starting to work their way slightly higher. So the longer term analysis, weekly analysis, out for the future is still the same. The leader is telling us that there's a lot of purchase orders coming this year, later in this year, and the transportation average recognizes that and has been doing a fantastic job of looking more like a bull market than anything else. And if that's the leader, that means that sometime this year we're all going back up the rest of the markets. Now we're going to look at metals. Let's go to metals. I don't love silver as much as I love gold, but silver above this yellow average I do happen to like, and I've told you that in every video. When it gets to this average and holds, I like it every time, as long as it holds the average. When it got underneath, look at the damage that was done. Tried to get above here, couldn't get above, but now we're back above. We're back above. So I like silver more when it's above that average. But in all honesty, I like gold much, much better. Look at this. It has been trying for weeks now to get above this trend line right here, and it has finally succeeded. Almost knock. It knocked enough times. The door has opened. Gold is now going to challenge its previous highs. I like gold much better. Nothing goes straight up, especially during the day with these markets, because gold will do this all day before it decides to end up here. But, put your stops in, kids. Just be careful. Then we've got this. This is what I was referring to earlier, traders. This is the Omni Trading token. Since its inception, it has basically been making bull flags and breakouts the entire time. It started here. It is here now inside of this funnel, if you will, doing really, really well. But here's the spread. I want you to keep an eye on this. See how this has been going up, 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 up? It's basically at the top of this chart. It's priced in, well, sorry about that. It's built on Solana. It is not priced in Solana. So there's a couple of ways to look at a teeter-totter. If you were out in a schoolyard or out in a park and you seen a seesaw, if you had Sol on one side and Omni on the other, if Sol went down, Omni went up. If Omni went up, Sol would go down. In this case, we built Omni out of Sol. They're on both sides of the same seesaw. In this case, watch this now, we created the Omni token on this day. That was the price of Sol. This is the price of my Omni token. My Omni token has done this. This is the Omni token right here. The entire time, Sol has done this. Now, here's what's really interesting about that. When Sol went down, so should have the Omni. It's not priced in Sol. It's built in Solana. It's built in Solana. It's on the same side of the seesaw. The whole time Solana went down, the Omni went up to here. Look at the size of the spread now between where they should be, which is connected together. That tells you that if Solana goes up just a little, the Omni has to go up the size of this spread higher without anyone even buying it. This is a honeymoon moment, traders. If you do not own the Omni token, you're missing out on a very obvious piece of analysis right here, because we're built in something that went down and we went up. If it goes up, we go up further. As it goes down, there's enough Omniacs in the world that like this token. It just keeps going higher while Solana figures out what it wants to do next. The entire spread, the Omni has to move that much higher if Solana starts to move up at all. Insane, right? And then we'll just go back. Go get your Omni Trading tokens. You can buy them on Coinbase right below this video. I will leave my Omni token address, the coin address. Copy that address only because there are imposter Omni coins out there. If you copy the address below this video, you can't get it wrong. It's the Omni Trading token. But look what we've had now. Not only are we in this funnel, so to speak, but look, we have a pennant flag. Look at what's happened there. Or you could use the whole piece if you want. Call the whole thing a pennant flag. Insane, right? Inside of the channel moving higher. Omniacs around the world, God bless you and what you do. If you continue to buy, and remember, when whales come in, if us Omniacs don't just bail out and welcome the whales by buying little bits more, the whales' friends will come in and we'll get this Omni to go much, much higher. Congratulations, Omniacs. You're in a beautiful spot with your Omni tokens. Hold on to them. Buy more on dips. Thank you for everything you do.